In this video, we will be talking about the move sensory category. These are some scattered actions that a teacher might see in a student whose body needs to move. Rocking, twirling, swaying, jumping, constantly getting up from their desk after asking them several times to sit down, stomping, or showing impulsivity. There are many other actions that may indicate a student needs to move their bodies, but these are the most common that I've seen during my time with teachers and students that relate to the move sensory category. It's important to recognize that these actions should not be seen as negative or bad actions, but rather as clues that suggest the move sensory category would be best targeted for regulation to prepare your student to be ready to learn in the classroom environment. For instance, when a student is scattered, they may begin to sway their bodies while sitting at their desk to try to stimulate or block out sensory stimuli regarding their move sensory system or category. When a student exhibits such actions as mentioned before, they are attempting to regulate themselves by moving their bodies in different ways, but may be unaware on how to appropriately stimulate their bodies to regulate in a classroom environment. The following are common sensory strategies or supports in the move sensory category that can be implemented in the classroom setting. Teachers can prompt students who need to move by encouraging the use of an appropriately sized therapy ball or wiggle stool as a seating arrangement, providing a wiggle cushion or deflated beach ball below their feet on the floor or on their chair, allowing the student to pass out papers around the classroom, allowing for movement breaks, or taking a lap around the hallway if needed with supervision. If the school has a sensory room, a great way for a student who needs to move is to regulate by jumping on a trampoline, using a swing, or applying vibration to the ear using a sensory tool such as a Z-Vibe, which can be found on Amazon if your school doesn't have it. Again, these sensory strategies and supports are associated with the move sensory category and may help regulate a student who needs to move and set them up for purposeful engagement in the classroom.